Alright, I'm gonna do a how-to video. I googled this up earlier and watched a 5-minute video my husband pulled up as I got finished, and I said, hey honey, can you take this valve stem off for me? He didn't grab the tools that the people that I watched do it on YouTube did. He just grabbed his knife out of his pocket, so I got this one out of the cabinet. Just hope it's sharp enough. If I can get this blade out of here, I hope I don't cut myself. Anyways, he took a knife and he just cut this thing right here off. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, his knife must have been sharper than this one. Gosh, I feel like I'm gonna cut myself. Oh my goodness, I'm probably dulling his knife. It might be dull already, I don't know. Y'all can't even see what I'm doing, I don't guess, but I'm doing awful. I'm not doing a very good job at all. Why did he make it look so damn easy? Ugh. Maybe I go cut this way. Well, I thought I was gonna have like a 3-minute video. Look at this shit. Ugh. Okay, well, I suck. Damn it. I can't do this. I'm gonna have to get him to do it. Well, my how-do video is get you a husband that can do this.